There we go. Pretty classic thinning flake, pretty classic blank for a bird point right there. So, let's look back at our piece again. So now we blew up a bunch of ridges with that. And we're working back towards that crack. We might get kind of lucky. Sometimes when you have a really good platform to strike like this, you don't need to grind all the time. You can just kind of strike high. I'm not trying to drive large, long flakes every time. A lot of times you're just kind of trimming to set up for those flakes. So I think you can see the convexity and in there. We're going to make a platform right there and see if we can get a big flake for a bird point off right there. Kind of an isolated platform there. The way this stone is set up, you just have to be careful that it doesn't travel down here and cut underneath. So I'm not going to hit it really hard. You don't want to put too much back pressure on it because that's how you cut them in half. Here we have another good flake for a bird point. Very thin, but we can chip them. Okay. So we just, that last piece just snapped at that crack. It hit the tarp. Let's see if I can find it. Yep. So see how that's all irregular and chunky? That's that crack. So we're just going to trim. We'll go really slow in this video. There's a little birdie right there. A little accident birdie. Happy little accident. Now we're going to flip around to this side. So right off the bat, here's my thinning strategy, I guess. I'm going to come in and see what the problems are on the piece. When it's a big piece, I'm going to try to get as many usable flakes off of those problem areas as I can. I'm not just going to come in and start knocking off the problem areas and wasting the material. Sometimes you won't be able to get any flakes off the problem area. That's what this is looking like here. See the crack right here? So I'm scared it's going to dive. I'm going to go ahead and hit it high and just try and get it off of there. Sometimes you got to do it that way too. There won't be any, you won't have any choice in the matter. There we go. Okay, we got the crack out of there. We got a nice little flat piece. That'll make a super small point. I think this project's going to be a lot of fun. Making these points, you know, challenging myself to see how many points I can get out of a piece of material. And then we got these problem areas down at the bottom now, which I think we're going to lose this whole corner. But I can see that there's a platform here. See the angle? And I can drive flakes off under here. If I can get those flakes to spread a little bit, I can make points out of those flakes until that corner gives way. And at some point we're going to get more aggressive. But right now, yeah, that corner's pretty chewed up, buddy. Oof. Yeah, we didn't get anything off of that. So full of cones and incipient fractures, probably from freeze-thaw cycles, getting dug out of the ground, all that happy stuff. I mean, we may be to the point that we kind of want to seriously start going after some big flakes, make some bigger points. So you got to keep an eye on these, like the face of this. See if we can get a good look. So there's a platform to hit here. Hit this way.